Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you why Duolingo keeps changing its app icon. The Duolingo app often changes its icon to give users something fresh and fun to look at. Each update brings a new expression or theme, showing Do the Owl in different moods like happy, tired, or even funny. These icon changes are part of Duolingo's creative way to keep learners engaged and motivated to use the app regularly. Every new design adds personality to the learning experience and keeps the app feeling exciting. It's not just about looks. These updates help users stay encouraged to continue their lessons and enjoy learning new languages. Duolingo's goal is to make learning feel enjoyable and not like a strict routine. With each new icon, the app adds humor and surprise, making it more memorable. To change your Duolingo app icon, first open the Duolingo app on your phone. Then tap on your streak counter at the top left corner of the screen between the language you're learning and your gems. After that, scroll down until you find the app icon option. If you have an active streak, you can choose the Streak Society icon. For Super Duolingo Plus users, there's also an extra icon available. Once you select your preferred icon, Android users will need to restart the app for the new icon to appear. On iPhone, the icon updates automatically after selection or after completing your next lesson. If you want to go back to the original icon, just turn off the custom icon option, and the default one will return automatically. This small feature adds a bit of fun and keeps the Duolingo experience fresh and enjoyable. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.